At least once a week or maybe twice, I go through my entire fridge and I see which vegetables or fruits that I can salvage. And then I run them through the juicer. So I have some celery that's here. It's on this last leg. Let me see if I can get some juice out of it. Some lettuce. Gonna run that in the juicer. Some red cabbage. Got a Granny Smith and red apple. I have some ginger in here. And I have some carrots. So what I'm gonna do is rinse everything off. And I'm gonna run it through the juicer. I don't have any particular blend that I like to do. I just like to combine everything. I like to save the apples for last because that's what I'm going to use to sweeten up the tartness from the red cabbage, maybe a little bit of the lettuce. Everything else I can handle. It's just I'm not a fan of red cabbage in juice, but you can still juice it. So I like to save apples because they pretty much balance out everything. So all I'm going to do is just chop everything up, just big enough to fit in the hole of the juicer. I have a wide mouth juicer from Cubing's, one of my favorite juicers. I've had it for about 6 years now, 7 years, and it still hasn't failed me yet. They make high quality products, and I'm a big fan. Carrots is something you should always have because they help clean out the juicer. Sometimes the leafy things get stuck. Can never have enough ginger, but ginger is spicy, so go sparingly, but I can handle it, so I always put a lot. I'm someone that juices everything, even the stem, stalks, skin, everything goes in. I mean, that's where all the vitamins are anyway. I'm just showing you guys what it's really like. This is once a week. I take the time. Sometimes it takes me an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 or 5. Depends on how many things I have, but try to stay healthy for the most part. I have some days. Some days I have an In-N-Out burger. Some days I have some pizza. But I always make sure that I run the next day. Make myself pay for it. So there's nothing wrong with indulging, just make sure you stay clean and consistent to the best of your ability. See in the background I have some watermelon. I'm gonna add that too. So yeah, just chopping everything into little pieces. Fit in the juicer. Try to use organic for the most part. It's supposed to be not grown with pesticides, but I'm pretty sure they still spray it on there anyway. So normally I try to pre-soak the veggies in like a vinegar solution. I do my best. Not always perfect, but I try. Like I said, the apples I'm going to do at the very end. I probably won't show me cutting the apples, but I only add them at the very end of like the final blend. Cause I taste the blend without the apples to see if it needs the sweetness, because apples do have sugar in them, but I still like to add some to balance it out. So this is what the final mix looks like. All the veggies. This is everything. Now it's time to juice. don't need to throw this part away. I like to put this in the compost and give it back to the earth. Our ultra fruit and veggie juice is done. I had to add the apples to it to balance everything out. This has the watermelon rinds, celery. It has carrots, lettuce, red cabbage. I'm gonna drink this every morning, just a cup. You don't want to overdo it because sometimes if you drink too much fruit juice and vegetable juice, it can give you diarrhea. So you want to introduce this slowly if you're new to juicing. But this is good for you. It will clean you out and provide all the vitamins and minerals you need. This is not a meal replacement. I just drink this in addition just to get more fruits and veggies in my diet. So all I'm gonna do is put this in containers and that's it. So I appreciate you guys watching and hopefully this helps, but you have to make this healthy lifestyle something that you do every day. And if it comes to like meal prep, you have to do it once a week. And also you have to clean out your fridge and just make sure that, you know, you're saving your food and it's not going bad.